Now that we've finished the majority of our spot welding, it's time to put the car in the rotisserie and strain out some rough metal before we put any kind of primer or filler. One of the first things we need to do is fix the passenger rear frame rail. It had some rust on it, so we decided to cut it out and replace it with new metal. The new piece of metal needs to be undercut slightly so that when you lay your welds down, it not only penetrates the new metal, but it penetrates the old metal. Then you can start laying down your spot welds. Make sure that when you're laying down your spot welds that you jump around so that you don't stay in one area too long and heat up the metal and cause it to warp. Then you just take a grinder and smooth it out as much as you can. The spot welder came with this special attachment dent puller. It's really going to help us in the process of straightening out this car. Now that the car's on the rotisserie, we're going to take some time and fix some of the things under the car, including these torque boxes. These torque boxes made the car's frame stronger. Now, because these are high-performance cars and meant to be driven hard, we need to ensure that the unibody structure is secure. These four corners need to be stiff and stable to keep the car from bending under extreme torque. Yeah, these aren't perfect, but they look exactly the way they did when this car rolled off the production line 50 years ago. Caesar got in this morning and found a couple of dogs roaming around our backyard, tearing up the car cover to our '69 Charger. They did a mess, man. I'm gonna go back there and check to see that they didn't do any more damage to the car and find out why they would do that. Maybe they were chasing a cat in there, or hope I don't find anything else in there that I don't want to find. Oh, dude, we got a homeless guy living in here. Somebody's creeping in here at night and making it their home. There's Doritos, there's Cokes.
Are you being serious?
I'm serious. Gotcha. Why, dude? There's a cardboard box over there they could play with, bro. I'll make it work somehow. Looks trashy, though. It's better than nothing, right? With the car on the rotisserie, we can get to areas we couldn't get to before. Now we can start sanding the car down to bare metal. It's easy now to see any drill holes that we might have missed. We need to plug weld these holes to make sure we have smooth metal for our primer. We need to make sure that all drill holes are covered, that all dents are fixed, and that all the rough sanding is smoothed out. Just because it's under the car and you can't see it, doesn't mean that it doesn't have to get fixed. As we worked on the frame of the car, I asked Chon to take care of one of the doors that had some rust holes. So he welded a patch and smoothed it out.
I thought I brought two sandals and one like a Dremel. No?
Let me check.
This is the one you're looking for, no? The straight one?
No, he says he brought two angle.
I know, right? The
I
swivel
know,
one.
I don't even remember seeing
The
two.
swivel one, no?
You would always use the swivel
The
one.
swivel,
and somebody would
that
always use
one,
the regular
and this
one.
one.
That one we would
Oh,
already
no,
use.
but we took the swivel off.
We had two blue ones. You brought two blue ones.
That's what I'm saying. I was gonna get one so I can have it here for me.
This is it.
No, bro, that's a Dremel.
Oh, here it is.
Take the video.
He's right, he brought three.
Yeah, because I remember.
It was in the wrong drawer.
That was probably Chon.
Guess
Yeah,
who?
Chon.
inventory.
Bro, it was in a drawer that no one would ever look.
That's what Chon
Yeah, I
does.
couldn't find it.
That's what happened
You
when
know
you
what?
turned off
Chicken
the
dude
lights.
is probably broken and he was hiding it there. A bit of moisture.
Well, there it is.
All right, man, we'll get out.
Hold on, let's see.
Wasting my time.
Where did it go? This is broken from here. They come out when you stop it. Doesn't have any threads.
Oh yeah, that's what we were trying to fix last time.
I think I got it fixed.
Huh?
I got it fixed.
Yeah, you may want to, with a screwdriver, just kind of mess with it, bro.
I'll switch it this evening. Alright. That's fixed. I can't take it off.
You're trying to take it out. Let me see. Let me see that. Let me try to. You can't fix
You're the
it.
one that broke that one. Look at that.
that was you, dog. That was
You know when we used to go fishing back in the day? I told you, right, that four of us fishing, and his fishing rod, the hook would get stuck in a rock, and he would just put it down and grab somebody else's. And that's what he's doing here, bro.
I remember that.
He's doing the same thing here, bro. It breaks, takes our good ones, dude.
You would do that.
He would do that all the time. It would get me so upset, dude.
You
'cause
would do that.
Just
Well, they're there, bro. Nobody's using it. Might as well use it. You know?
We're moving along with our goal to make this car as smooth and clean as possible. We've been sanding this car for days, adding filler, plug welding drill holes, and fixing anything else we see along the way. I can't say enough about these guys. You know, we've been working on this project for well over a year. They show up ready to work, and we can finally see the fruits of our labor. Now, we're ready to shoot some primer.